night remembers every word you said. Now I walk alone where our dreams once led. Your shadow still follows every road I take, but every heartbeat reminds me of the ache. I smile for the world while my soul cried in silence. Your goodbye became the loudest kind of violence.
I kept your letters, I kept your name, but nothing can ever bring us back the same.
Every rainy evening feels like your goodbye. Every lonely morning teaches me to cry. You found another sky, I stayed beneath the storm. You found someone to hold, I hug memories to stay warm. If love was forever, why did forever end? Why did my best friend become a stranger again?
I still hear your laughter inside empty rooms, like flowers trying to bloom inside forgotten tombs.
The stars ask about you, the moon knows my pain. Every wish I whisper comes back in the rain.
I never hated you, I only missed us. I never stopped loving even after the dust.
My heart is a house with broken windows and doors. Love walked away, leaving silence on the floors.
Maybe one day these tears will dry.
Maybe one day I'll forget the reason why. Until that sunrise, I'll carry this scar, because some broken hearts still remember who they are. Goodbye, my love, wherever you are. I hope you're smiling even if I still fall apart. The song may end, but the pain remains. Some hearts stop beating, others just break in chains.